So often beginners usually find it hard to blend their eyeshadows out. So here we have something today that you can create a glam look and you can get the structure, dimension, sparkle, everything that comes with an advanced look just using cream eyeshadows, and these are available in India and they're super affordable. So let's check these out now. So these are from the Swiss Beauty's Chrome and Matte range. These are like a dual eyeshadow. It has a matte side and then it has a creamy side, and they're all kind of in colors which work really well together. So here I have two variants for you. I'm going to start off with the chrome one in the lightest shade, the white one, applying that towards the inner part of the lid. It's super easy. You don't really have to worry at all being a beginner. Just apply it directly on the lid and make sure you don't miss any patches. The best part about these is that they're also transfer proof and they also don't crease. So you don't have to worry about creasing throughout the night, especially if you have hooded eyes like me. So then I'm going to use the other shade which has a blue tint and we're going to apply that towards the middle portion. So once that's done, we're just going to go ahead and use the matte shades which are available in these two. So the white one comes with a black and then the blue one comes with a dark matte blue. So we're applying the matte blue in the outer corner just for that depth, and we're trying to give in that kind of professional look where there's a good balance between the shimmers as well as the mattes. So after the blue, we're going to go ahead with a little black in the outer corner. You can totally skip this step if black is intimidating to you. Go ahead with a Q-tip. That way you don't really have to use your fingers and get it everywhere. So if you have smaller eyes, I think Q-tips are perfect. If you have the right amount of space, you can even use your finger to blend it out. Just very slightly just buff out all the edges, and because it's a cream formulation, this will automatically blend really well into your skin. So you don't have to worry about the blending process at all. It's super easy. All you have to do is just take the Q-tip and brush it along the edges without altering the shape of the application that you have done. That way it does not get messy and it doesn't end up kind of going everywhere. Now using the clean side of the Q-tip, we're just going to repeat the same process on the upper side of the shimmers. That way even that looks much more blended into the skin and the entire look is kind of cohesive. So here I am showing you how you can use your fingers and also blend, especially the matte formulation. It's a lot more easier when you have to blend it towards the brow bone with your finger. If you're finding it hard with the Q-tip, you can also go ahead and do the same thing. Repeat the same thing for the shimmers. That way you have a nice clean blend. I am just going to go with an added coat of the blue in the edges. That way the color itself helps to diffuse, and that way you don't have to spend too much effort on the blending process. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same process along the lower lash line. We're just taking the blue stick and we're going to apply that correctly on the lower lash line, and then I'm going to start to smudge that out into the skin. It's super easy to blend this out, and to blend the lower lash line, a Q-tip is the best bet ever. It's very easy to kind of diffuse the product, and then you can go ahead with your finger and you can slightly buff out further in case if you're finding it harder to blend. Moving on, we're going to pick up a blue kohl pencil. This one is from Matte Look Cosmetics. We're just applying that in the waterline. That way there is no skin which is seen in the middle of the entire look because it's a quite smoky look. And then we're going to go ahead with the Meta Boost eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner and it's kind of like my personal favorite right now. So we're going to use this eyeliner and I'm just going to create a very simple liner look, like nothing over the top, just to give that tiny amount of enhancement to the eye. And then we're going to go ahead with a little bit of mascara from Very Miss Cosmetics, just coating your lashes, and just make sure that you have around 2 to 3 coats of mascara. That way the entire look looks very tied up together. I am going to be using false lashes, but in case if you want to stop with mascara, that will also work out really well. So today I'm using the Onmo Beauty's lashes. These are super voluminous. They're very, very good for bridal looks too. And these are just perfect. They're very lightweight, very minimal. So also good for beginners who want to try out lashes for the first time. And this is your completed look. And I hope you all enjoyed this. So it's super simple to create this look. And this entire range has a lot of color combinations. So you can choose something which is a lot more everyday friendly, college friendly, which kind of caters to your liking. So give these a shot, and I hope you all enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye bye.